right, so it's been a couple weeks since I've installed this Fluidmaster Soft Spa Bidet. I mean, this thing has been awesome. My daughter came up to me the other day and was like, Dad, could I use that new toilet in your bathroom? I said, sure, honey. She's like, you're gonna have to teach me how to use it. So we go in here and I just laugh because after a little while, like I'm showing her the remote control, showing her how to do things, you know, because it's got a lady feature, it's got a gentle, it's got the dryer. You can change the water pressure up and down. You can change the heat seating temperature. I mean, there's so many different features here. And afterwards, she's like, Daddy, that's fancy. Of course, the next question, can I have one for my bathroom too?
All the parts you need to install this come in the kit.
This was really easy to install. It took about a half hour, got that all rocked out, installed, ready to use. Fluidmaster backs this bad boy by a 5-year warranty. There's no other bidet of this caliber that's giving you that kind of level of warranty, and then backed by their customer service, bar none. This is it. If you go to fluidmaster.com and you use the promo code BLISS at checkout, these are only $2.99 right now.